Hello, Chef here, tossing some cookies together. I thought I'd share a few secret chef tips with you. This is stuff you're only going to learn in culinary school, and I decided to share a few of these tips with you. So here we go. When you're creaming your butter or your butter and sugar, you need to whip it till it's light and fluffy. Turn the mixer off. Use one of these awesome scrapers and scrape the ball down, all the way down to the very bottom. Very, very important. And then scrape it off. Put it back in. And to effectively whip this, I want you to repeat that at least 3 times. The other secret, Brazilian vanilla extract, the real deal. I'm going to put in a generous tablespoon, and that right there is going to give it the kick, the flavor, and the awesome taste explosion that your family and friends are going to go, wow, how did you make those cookies? Update your kitchen. Contact the sponsor for cutting-edge blocks as seen on TV. Cookie dough is shaped like this, floured, and we roll it into a nice, thin, consistent size. Just like that. And using a round cutter like this. The finished cookies, looking really good. A little bit of powdered sugar on there. Oh yeah. Some of the finished Kolacky cookies. Oh yeah, I'm using one of my favorite high heat spatulas. Watch the next video and learn more about this. Now, look at what I got here. This is full flavor. This is where all the flavor comes from out of the vanilla bean right there. The sticky. That's what you want right there. Let's put it back in, okay? And we're going to put this beautiful, beautiful bean right into this jar and get this extract going. I do want some of the seed specks to come out. That was one of the reasons why I split it. And it's quite simple. Here we go. Hello, Chef here once again, bringing you some more valuable information and some facts with some of the finer things in life. Wow. Madagascar vanilla bean. Look at that fat, sticky, soft, juicy bean. To get the best vanilla beans, just visit the sponsor. Like I said, these are thick, sticky, fat, juicy, #1 grade Madagascar beans. They also have a variety of beans from all over the world. You can also contact the sponsor if you need gallons. The beans are fully fermented now. They've some of the flavors extracted into the liquor, And this is ready to go. This is going to be really good. It's going to be strong. $10 or $20 for a bottle. It's imitation vanilla. This bottle's worth $40 to $60 because it's the real deal. I'm going to show you how to make it for just a few bucks. Put a large funnel in the bottle, line up your bottles, drop your beans in. You open your bottle of awesome rum. Oh yeah, look at that. And you pour some in. Just leave a little bit off the neck here for fermentation, and also because every now and then you're going to give a little shake. You're going to tip it back and forth. You want those air bubbles to move around the seed specks, which you can already see are coming out of that vanilla bean. Wow, beautiful. Like I said, visit the sponsor, score the best beans you can get. They import them directly. Japanese knives, of course, are there as well. And yeah, the butcher block. Yeah. I use a clean white towel. Wipe off any excess oil that's there. This cutting board, like I said, is over 10 years old. A little bit of excess oil. It's over 10 years old and it's just going strong. Love it. Check out your sponsor. They got all these babies on sale. They ship for free. It's the best cutting board you can buy right there. Oh yeah. Blueberries. I like it. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes, with a juice groove, without a juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,